Health insurance lang yan. Hindi lahat cover. Ayan guys, second time babalik si June dito sa Service Ontario. Kukuha siya ng health card niya. Let's go inside. Bawal doon ang video. Excited siya. Ayan na, kanina pa siya naghihintay. Huh?
I can't use a contract.
Because the position is
Pakita mo, pakita mo.
See what you have.
Because it's a contract from IRCC that I made.
Not from IRCC.
No, I made it.
From you.
Yeah, I made it. And he submitted on IRCC when he go to border. Where's the contract? Oh yeah, yung contract na sinayin mo. Di ba binigyan kita? So this is the contract. Second time, failed again. May kulang na naman. So, yun guys, kasi talagang pag may hiningi sa'yo ang isang tao, mas magandang babalik ka sa same person. Pag different person, different na naman ang hihingi sa'yo na requirements. Okay, I'm gonna make an employment letter for him. See you later. So guys, gumawa na ako ng employment letter niya. So this is his third time. Ayan, third time na. Pasok uli kami sa building. Kiyos. Ayan, tinanggap na. Accepted na.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, so may tables dito. $70 yung ganyan. We're trying to canvas a table. Yung magpifit lang doon sa store, yung maliit lang.